I'm Yuujin. Most of my color clients have gray hair, but they also have sensitive scalp. So today I'm going to share something new from ELUMEN so you can color gray hair in a new and exciting way.
I used to cover my grey hair quite often, but I have a sensitive scalp. Previous round, my scalp itched for the whole day.
Okay.
So now I wish to cover my grey hair, but I don't want the color to be too dark.
Like many clients these days, Jerry's scalp is sensitive, so the new NN shades is perfect for covering grey hair without irritating the scalp. ELUMEN is also perfect to color and repair her dry and damaged hair. For Jerry's color service today, I will be covering her roots with the new NN 6 mixed with a natural brown. And adding the new thickener allows me to color creatively without foils. And for her ends, a rosy color with the new pastel rose at 10 mixed with SP at 10. The result is perfectly covered roots, multi-dimensional color and healthy looking hair. And with ELUMEN Home Care, Jerry can extend her color vibrancy and healthy hair condition. So what do you think of this color?
I love the colors, the rosy brown color, but most important, there is no irritation on my scalp during the whole process. It's very soft, the color is trendy, and it gives a 3D effect.
Start now. Try a new way to cover grey hair with the new ELUMEN.